My name is Vera, and we're here today with our special segment, Introduction to Park. Joining me is Eugene Netso, our managing partner at EarnPark, and we will be diving deep into our upcoming Park token and the token sale. Eugene, hi, thank you for being here.
Hi, it's a pleasure to be here. I'm excited to talk about the token and what it means for both our business and our users.
Great. Eugene, for those who are new here, can you please start by telling our audience a bit about yourself and your journey into the world of crypto and Web3?
Sure, I'm Eugene, co-founder and managing partner at EarnPark with a background in engineering and marketing. With over a decade in tech and digital companies, my journey into blockchain began in 2017, leading me to invest and explore crypto due to its promise of transparency, accessibility, and direct profit distribution. Despite the challenges in the crypto space, such as misinformation and fraud, we are committed to providing reliable information through our blog and Twitter spaces and our YouTube channel. Obviously, this is how we created EarnPark, a platform that gives everyone the opportunity to build their own crypto walls.
Okay, thank you for the intro. So let's start with the big question. Why are we launching the Park token?
Absolutely, that's a great question, and I'm happy to dive into it. You see, over the years, we have observed some significant challenges in the crypto and ICO space. Historically, many ICOs have struggled with issues like lack of transparency and limited access for everyday users. A lot of projects have managed to attract substantial funds, but unfortunately failed to deliver on their promises. What's more, regular users often find themselves at a disadvantage by the time they get the chance to buy into a token. The large funds and big players have already made their profits and moved on. With the Park token, we're aiming to change that narrative. We are launching this token to address these very challenges head on. Our mission is to create an investment opportunity that's transparent, accessible, and generally user centric. We want to make sure that our users aren't just latecomers picking up the scraps, but are actually part of the journey right from the start. And OnPark initially didn't plan to launch a token as our business was functioning well without one. However, after introducing the swap functionality, the demand for a token from our users grew significantly, making it one of the most requested features. By involving our community early, we are looking to boost liquidity in a way that benefits everyone involved. We are focusing on expanding our user base by giving people early access, which help us grow together. This approach fuels our development and ensures that users aren't left as mere exit liquidity for big hands. In essence, we're committed to building a more equitable ecosystem. We believe that by aligning our goals with the needs of our users, we can foster a platform where everyone has the opportunity to benefit. It's about creating a win-win situation where the growth of the business directly contributes to the rewards our users receive. We're excited about what our token represents and can't wait to have our community join us on this journey.
Okay, thank you. Now let's discuss the utility of Park token. What can users expect?
Mm, our token is designed to offer value to everyone involved. For business, it plays several key roles. It boosts liquidity through token mining, which helps ensure steady growth. It also aids in bringing in new users, enhancing our marketing efforts, and expanding our community. The token fuels our overall growth by providing resources for product development and expansion. We're also using it to incentivize transparency, motivating validators to maintain clear and open services, which is crucial for building trust. The token will also play a vital role for us in testing new features. For instance, it will be used to trial innovations like token locks and multi-currency rewards payouts, specifically within our staking strategies. This kind of functionality requires a sophisticated multi-layered approach, and our token will be essential in helping us ensure seamless execution as we expand these capabilities. And for users, the benefits are pretty exciting. Early participants can earn higher yields through token mining, giving you more rewards right from the start. You can also save on fees, which is currently a significant challenge. That be up to 30% discounts when using Park token for planned fees, which can make a real difference over time. In addition to fee savings, Park token holders will have access to unique high yield strategies where liquidity is limited. As I mentioned earlier, we'll be using the token to test new features, and in turn, token holders will have the opportunity to be the first to access these features before they are available to the wider public. Being part of the early access group means you benefit from the business growth as it happens, rather than coming in later when others have already taken their share. And importantly, token holders can participate in governance, having a say in key company decisions, and truly becoming part of our community. In essence, Spark Token is about creating a more inclusive and rewarding ecosystem. We're aiming to align our growth with the needs and interests of our users, ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to benefit as we move forward together.
Okay, thank you. So that's an important mission. Could you please tell us more about the Bark token tokenomics?
Sure, the Park Tokenomics is designed to support the long-term growth and sustainability of our platform. With a fixed total supply of 1 billion tokens, the largest allocation, 36%, is dedicated to community incentives. This includes mechanisms like token mining, yield boosting, staking, and more. By rewarding our community, we're fostering active participation and ensuring steady liquidity, which will drive both platform and token growth. Next, 25% of the tokens are reserved for investors. This portion is crucial as it provides us with the resources necessary to future develop the platform and grow our total value locked. An increase in TVL naturally leads to a rise in the token's market cap, benefiting both users and investors alike. Another 20% is allocated to the team. Additionally, 10% of the tokens will be kept in treasury, which allows for future growth opportunities. This reserve may be used for future fundraising or supporting loans and liquidity solutions that we plan to introduce later. And 3% of the tokens will be used to support the platform's compliance with global regulations and improve corporate relations. They are allocated to platform partners, including legal advisors, PR teams, and other project supporters. Finally, 6% is set aside for liquidity pools and market making, ensuring that there is sufficient liquidity to support smooth trading and reduce volatility. Additionally, the tokenomics includes a lockup and vesting structure ranging from 12 to 36 months across different allocation categories. This helps prevent an oversupply of tokens flooding the market and ensures sustainable growth. This period will also allow us to fully implement the utility mechanism we planned, creating natural demand for the token with the community as these features are rolled out.
Okay, thank you. What advantages does EarnPark token offer to users compared to other tokens or investment opportunities, maybe?
Park token aims to address some of the common issues in previous ICOs. As I said before, in the past, many projects have limited access for regular users, often allowing large funds to invest early and benefit the most. This sometimes leaves later participants at a disadvantage, as they might inadvertently serve as exit liquidity for those early investors. We're taking a different approach with Spark Token by offering early access to all users. This means you can get involved from the beginning, having the opportunity to benefit alongside the project's growth. Our goal is to create a transparent, rewarding experience where participants who engage early are recognized and have a meaningful stake in the project success. Additionally, early users and contributors to our platform will be rewarded through a liquidity mining program. The longer a user stays on the platform and the more liquidity they contribute, the higher the rewards. We're committed to building a platform that values the contributions of its community members By aligning our interests with those of our users, we hope to foster a collaborative environment where everyone can share the journey and the rewards that come with it.
Okay. So the question that probably is the most important people ask us, what's the roadmap or plan for Park Token? Where are we headed here?
Mm, Our roadmap is adaptable and designed to respond to the results of the token sale. While we have ambitious plans for growth, the next steps will be shaped by the success of the token sale, ensuring we allocate resources in the most effective way to drive platform development and community engagement. We'll begin with the token sale and focus on building a strong community. As we move forward, our main priority will be the gradual introduction of utility features of the token, focusing primarily on boosting returns for users. And in the coming year, we plan to proceed with a token listing, which will drive liquidity and expand our reach. Since we are qualified market makers, we are confident this will give us an advantage during the listing process. Afterward, we'll shift our focus to integrating our financial records onto the blockchain. Even though the platform remains centralized at the current stage, we are committed to ensuring transparency. We plan to introduce a hashing mechanism for our accounting records where both the current data and the previous hash will be written to the blockchain. This approach will allow users to verify the state of our financials at any point, ensuring maximum transparency. And Part token will also serve as part of our loyalty program, where users who actively participate in marketing and community activities will earn rewards. We'll be sharing more detailed information about our roadmaps soon, so please stay tuned for updates.
Okay, Eugene, thank you for sharing these insights. And before we wrap up, is there anything else you'd like to add?
Thank you, Vera. Before we finish, I'd like to invite everyone to delve a bit deeper into what we're all about by checking out our EarnPark manifesto. We'll leave a link in the description. It outlines our core values, mission, and the principles that guide us. I believe it's important for our community to understand not just what we're doing, but why we're doing it. We'll soon be releasing our white paper where you'll find all the detailed information about Park Token, its utility, and our future plans. Thanks again for having me, and I'm looking forward to what's ahead for all of us with Park Token.
Okay, thank you, Eugene. So I encourage everyone to take a moment and read the manifesto and get a sense of our vision for the future. Your feedback and your involvement are incredibly valuable to us, and we'd love for you to be part of this journey. So if you have any questions or thoughts after reading, please don't hesitate to reach out and stay tuned for more updates and information about the Park Token sale. So thank you everyone for joining us. Thank you, Eugene.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.